Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to make signs on pages. Okay, once you open pages, open a blank sheet and go to file and click on convert to page layout. Click on convert and you have a page layout here. Maximize the whole screen. Go to view and click on show rulers and zoom out so that you get a good view of the whole sheet and bring in the borders from the ruler so that you'll know where you're inserting text. So I'm getting three yellow borders for now, and we don't need a header or a footer for creating a sign. So let's turn that off here. So this is where you're going to create a sign. So let's first try adding a text box. So click on the text box here. So increase the size of the text box because the font has to be bigger so that people get attracted to it. People see what's actually written on the sign. And let's type the text. All goods must be delivered to the back entrance. So this is the text that I want to keep in my sign. Select the whole text and hold on to Command and the plus symbol, which will increase the size of the text. I think it's pretty huge. Let's try customizing it. Let's try changing the font like this. Uh, this font size decreased, and uh, yeah, I think this font is pretty good. Now let's try adding a shape. Can add an arrow, which will you know point out to the uh, place where uh, the back entrance is. So let's make it bigger. You can also reshape the arrow however you want using the green button here, the small green button here. So let's increase it and let's align the text to the center, which will look more neat. And let's change the color to red. Yeah. And now let's add one more text box and let's type thanks. Now select the text and hold on to Command plus, which will increase the size, and we can also change the the font style, and we'll align it to the center and change the font color to green. Now this looks like a proper sign, right? So this is how you create signs on pages. You can create attractive ones. You can change font styles. You can add shapes. You can also add uh, chat symbol here. Keeping if you want to have a person say some dialogue, then you can use that shape over there. You can use a double arrow here. You can use squares. You can use anything that's available. You can use trees. There are a lot of options available in here to make your signs attractive and catchy. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.